everybody, it's Kim, and we're going through this beginner bar workout. So before you get really happy and say, oh, beginner, thank goodness, it's going to be strong, it's going to be fundamental, and it's definitely going to challenge you. So beginner exercises can still be incredibly hard if you're doing them right. In fact, they can even be harder. So let's get into it. First off, what you will need. You will need a chair, sturdy piece of furniture, something to hold onto, your mat, and a ball, a yoga block, or a pillow. All of those things could work for you, a thicker pillow. Got it, let's go. Okay, all right, so first we're gonna step our feet nice and wide. Have your toes point forward. Pull your navel into your spine. Connect your ribs, so feel like you put a little safety pin on your ribs. And take a deep inhale as you reach, and then exhale. Take it down to release. Again, deep inhale to lift. Let's set ourselves up here. Exhale. Your breath is gonna get you through a lot. One more time, deep inhale. And then exhale. Take your fingertips, bring them to a prayer, palms together, elbows wide, shoulders down. Turn out both of your thighs from the tops of your legs, engaging your glutes, neutralizing your pelvis, and let's bend our knees. Start a little pulse down, and bam, we're in wide second. Okay, now what you can't see and what I can see is that behind me is a screen door and my 3-year-old is doing funny faces at it. So here we go. I'm totally focusing on you though. I'm not gonna focus on her. And that sounds even worse, doesn't it? I'm not gonna focus on my child. It's okay, someone's inside with her. My amazing mother-in-law is watching her while I do this video. Yay! Okay, let's take it down 1 inch. Go down 1 inch and up 1 inch. Down 1 inch and up 1 inch. Okay, back to the choreography. Now my feet are pushing into the mat. I feel my pinky toes pressing into the mat. So I'm really working my outer thighs here. I'm squeezing my glutes, I'm dropping my tailbone down. It's beginner, but you should be feeling heat for sure. Okay, little pulses, down and down. I don't know what happened with that, for sure. That was, I don't know. Okay, pulse and pulse and pulse. It's the heat talking, it's my thighs burning. It's not Kim, it's my thighs. Okay, palms come together. If you could hear my thighs, if I could mic my thighs, what would they be saying? They'd be saying, wow, this is intense. Okay, slow it down. Down 1 inch and up 1 inch. Go down 1 inch and up 1 inch. Now, something that commonly happens, especially as we start to get fatigued, which will happen because we do these exercises for a little while each, right, is that I start to shift towards my more dominant side. I start to lean, try to stay really center, stay right in the middle. Okay, back to little pulses here. Go pulse and pulse. Let's reach our arms up towards the ceiling. If you need a break, take a break, that's okay. Then you jump back in, you get better every single time. Okay, bring it forward for 2, then lift it up for 2. Take it front for 2. So what's happening now? Part of this beginner series is to really focus on the what, not just what we're doing, but what we should be feeling. I want you to lengthen your spine. I want you to feel the back muscles engage, feel the core nice and strong, and very clearly feel your thighs. Okay, take it front for 2. You should feel your heart rate starting to rise. That heat is normal. These are large muscles that we're working. That means large energy is shifting towards them and we're feeling the heart pound, and that's good. Circulation. Hey, down for 2 and up for 2. Now beginner, you might think, oh, it's gonna be real serious, but you should know me better than that. Okay, hold it down. Shake the hips, side, side, take a little pull, 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 pull. Work the obliques, work the hips, loosen up a little bit, because at the end of the day, it's exercise, and exercise should be fun. It hurts seriously in a good way, and then it's just fun. Okay, a little lower, or else I wouldn't do it this much. Good. Kim, why are you so happy sometimes? Because I get to just exercise. Yay! Okay, hold the hands to prayer. Down, wrap the legs back and back and back. Squeeze the palms, press it back. Go squeeze. Can you press into the pinky toes a little deeper? Squeeze the glutes 1 inch lower. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Little lower. Go 3, go 2, go 1. Let's stretch. Woo! Bring it up. Toes forward, reach it forward, open the chest, dive. And then bend the knees, round on up. Find your bar. Let's go for it. Take your feet nice and wide. This time our toes are going to be parallel, pretty similar to what we just did, except more parallel, and we're gonna use the bar for some holding, some stabilization. Let's stick out your hips, bend your knees, pull up your abs, lengthen your posture, and start a little pulse. Now, because we have something to press down onto, if you have a chair at home, try not to pull it, right? Try to really press into that chair. Let's flex the feet, lift your 10 toes, and push your heels into the mat. Nice and secure. Another thing that might be happening to you, I totally know, because it happens to the best of us, is the rounding. Open the chest, drop the shoulders, work the posture. Okay, now hold it. Take what we did before and wrap, and wrap, and wrap, and wrap. Okay, here we go. 1 inch deeper. Push down into the chair. Stick the tailbone back. Pull the navel into the spine. My big toes are off the mat. My pinky toes are off the mat. The balls of my feet are off the mat. I am drilling my heels into the patio, which is concrete. So I'm trying to pretend that that's okay. Okay. I'm kidding, it feels fine. Down and down. Now hold it down, freeze. Little lift, little lift, little lift. Keep lifting. Now the accent up and up. Now flatten your feet, raise the heels up. When you do this, push into the big toes so the ankles don't press back, but they stay strong. 10 more counts. Go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Flatten the feet, lift up the chest. All right, now bring the feet closer together to parallel. Let's find your ball, your block, your pillow. Place it high between the inner thighs. Put your feet parallel. Squeeze your glutes. We're gonna raise the heels high and then lower just to hover. So we're using these calf raises just to start us off. However, it's not just about your calves, okay? Feel the inner thighs squeeze the ball or the pillow, whatever prop you've got. Feel the glutes engage. Feel the abs pull in tight. Feel an imaginary zipper zipping up your front. Stack your shoulders over your hips. This is posture, right? Posture, alignment, challenge. Hold it high, bend your knees. Squeeze the ball, pull it in and in and in. The ball is just an excellent outlet. If you're feeling any tension, that has nothing to do with workout. Take it out on the ball. Go squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Let's get 1 inch lower. Pulse down, pulse down. Now notice my heels are really high, but I'm not sitting into my arches. I am pulling, I am zipping, I am feeling opposition. No matter what exercise you choose to do, find the opposition in your movement. It's gonna change the whole dynamic. It's gonna prevent injury. It's gonna give you more control. Okay, you heard that from me. Don't forget it, write it down. Do you have a pen? No, I didn't tell you that in the beginning of this to get a pen, so don't worry. Thank you, internet, it's saved. There we go, balls down. 10 more, squeeze the ball, go 10, 9, 8, stay a little lower. Go 6, little lower. Go 3, deeper still. Go 2. Okay, that was it. 1, flatten your feet. Okay, take the ball, place it down. Let's come down to a plank. Okay, we fry the thighs. We're gonna work the abs a little bit and the chest and the back. Come down to your forearm plank. Palms down, elbows under shoulders. Push your forearms firmly. Bring your chin over your thumbs. Pull up the abs, tuck the toes. Here we go, squeeze the legs. Now shift, forward, back, forward, back. It's like you're sliding on a track. Zip the inner thighs a little closer together. Feel the whole body is engaged. A plank is not just about the abs. Think about everything else going into this challenge. Hold it forward. Bend right, left, right, left. My knee just touches the mat. Try not to round your shoulders. Keep them down. Open the chest. Get your chin over your thumbs. 10 seconds. Go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees. Sit back. Using that ab strength, let's lay down on our left side. So lay all the way down. Stack your knees to 90 degrees like you're sitting in a chair. Push that right palm, lift the right knee to hip height. Flex, stretch your right leg. We're gonna carry the right leg back like it's on a table and then point the toe and bring it forward. Okay. All right, seems pretty good. The heat's a little mild. We're gonna pick it up. We're gonna pick up that pace. So pull up the abs nice and tight as the leg travels in. Stretch your leg completely and point to the edges of it. So you're getting this full elongation of the leg. Okay, now point the toe, hold it forward. Little circle, little circle, little circle. Now it might seem like, hey, I'm just relaxing. I'm basking in the sun. No, it's much more. It's much more than that. Stack your hips, put a little cup on your hip, and try not to spill it. Circle, circle, reverse, around, around, around. Push the palm into the mat, lean a little bit forward. Good, lengthen, lengthen the spine. Okay, now flex your foot, turn your toe down. Touch the toe, down, and down, and down. Okie dokie. If I took an egg and cracked it, and just put it right on your glutes, it would just sizzle. That's it. Go down. Did you ever play that game as a kid? Crack an egg on your head, let the yolk drip down. Anyway, there we go. I digress, but that's okay, because as I digress, we keep it moving, we keep it moving, we keep it burning, and it feels absolutely awesomely awesome. Here we go. I don't know what happened again. It's my glutes talking. Okay, we're gonna turn out, we're gonna turn in, we're gonna turn out, we're gonna turn in. This one is called hot potato. I talked about eggs, I talked about potatoes. By the end of this, you're gonna have a whole dinner plan, even though I am not a nutritionist. Totally. Go heel and toe, go heel and toe. Go heel and toe. Okay, hold it parallel, freeze. You can put a little level right on your heel and center it. Okay, take the leg, slice it back. Now hold it completely parallel, little push. Back and back and back and back. The reason why I say a level is because I hung a picture the other day, put a level on top. And I thought, oh, I should get one of those just for my parallel foot. That's what I think when I am hanging a picture in my house. There we go, a little hold, pulse up, pulse up, pulse up, pulse up, breathe, keep going, 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, reach the heel, go 2, go 1, and then put it down. Let's lay down on your back. So we work the side, let's work the back. Let's stay really connected and even. Press the feet, lift the hips, take a little lift up and up. Okay, relax your neck, your jaw. Left ankle crosses over the right, and we squeeze up and up. Squeeze the heel and get that press. Heel pushes down into the mat. Good, if you need to put your foot down, I get it, don't worry. Otherwise, it crosses, 10 more seconds. Squeeze the glute, push the heel, 10, 9, 8. Come on, get your hip higher with me. Go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put it down, lift your knees to tabletop. Hands go behind your ears. Inhale, exhale, curl up the chest. Okay, lower the toes, and then lift it in. Wasn't that sneaky? I just went sneakily right into your ab workout. Bam, just like that. Sneaky Kim. I think I said that before. I think you've heard me say that many times before. Good, good, good. Take it down and pull in the abs and lift. Take it down, pull in the abs and lift. Now dart and dart. Let's start to twist and twist. Bring out the center, anchor the hips, stretch the toes. I give you so much to think about. Here we go. Go reach and reach. Now hold the left knee in, right leg out, pulse twist, pulse twist. Other side. Here we go. Pulse twist, pulse twist. If you need a break, I get it. It's okay. Pulse twist, pulse twist. Keep reaching the toe, keep pulling in the navel, pulse twist and twist and twist. Okay, hug the knees. Oh, the alarm's going off. Can you hear the alarm? Okay, rock in, roll up. Let's take that trusty ball. One more ab sprint before we do the left side of our glutes. Let's place the ball behind us. Have a little pocket of air under your hips, about 5 fingers can fit. Let's grab the backs of the legs, pull the navel into the spine, drop the shoulders, lift the chin. Here we go, take it up an inch and down an inch. Up an inch and down an inch. I know you're with me at home. I know it. Stretch the arms, little curl, reach it up, make fists. Little tap, little tap. If you start to feel saying, oh boy, this is a lot, grab on, take a breath, and then jump back in. Here we go, take it up, take it up, take it up. Let's go for a march. Go lift and lift. Pull the abs in and in. There are ways to do this, and then there are ways to do this. You want to do this. You want the second one. And lift. And as you lift your knee, it comes right from your abs, not from your hip. Lift 10 seconds, add a little twist to it. 10, go 9, lift 8, twist 7, twist 6, twist 5, twist 4, twist 3, twist 2, and 1. Pick it up. Okay, ball goes to the side. We flip over to the other side. Sun's coming back out. Hey, there we go. Lay down on the right side. Okay, stack your knees, stack your hips, flex your feet, lift your left leg. Stretch your left leg out and keep it parallel. Start it by going back and then point the toe and bring it forward. I'm gonna check my mic. Good, sometimes I lay down on it. And if I do that, I can mute myself. You don't want me muted, do you? You wanna hear every bad joke I tell. That's right. Every cheese, they're not bad, they're just cheesy, and that's okay. Reach. I use my left palm into the mat so that I can really stabilize myself. And what I love about this exercise truly is that I try my best to keep my hips still. I could feel the stretch through the back of my leg. It's really important here because we want to put together the stretch and the strength. Let's pull in the abs and hold and draw a little circle. Little circle. My obliques are working like crazy. And that's part of the benefit of slowing things down a little bit, right? Of almost reducing a little bit of the crazy choreography and starting to add a little bit more of that mind-body connection. Then you take that with you to all the other types of exercise you do. Okay, reverse the circle. Take it around. Take it around. No hula hooping hips. No hula hooping hips. I love hula hooping. I haven't done it in an extremely long time. My kids have a hula hoop and I tried it and I was awful at it, but I blame that only on the fact that it's a smaller hula hoop. I don't have an adult size hula hoop. So when I get an adult hula hoop, I'm gonna put it in my next video and show you. Uh-oh, I said it, so now I must do it. Okay, flex your foot, turn your toe down, little tap, big toe is down, heel is up, inner thighs get their squeeze. Down and down. We're not just working the outer, we're working the inner, and we're feeling the energy pull up our center. Down and down. Reach through the right arm, stay long. Pull the tailbone down. You're with me, I know it. Take it down and we turn it out and in. Take it out and in. Here's the hot potato. Hot potato, hot potato. That's it. And in and out and in. How's that song go? Cold spaghetti, cold spaghetti. I listen to children's music. About 90% of my day I have Pandora on. And we have random dance parties in the middle of the day. It's actually quite fun. Here we go, turning out and in, turning out and in. Go out and in, make the rotation happen from the top of your thigh. Oh, cooking, okay. Now parallel freeze it, put that level, back on your foot, flex it, stretch it, drop the hip back, drop the hip down, pull the navel in. Okay, now travel the leg back. Now hold it there, little press, little squeeze, little squeeze, little squeeze. What happens when we get towards the end of our set? We start to get tired, but no, we're gonna keep going. That was very dramatic. Wrap, wrap. Pull the abs in as the heel presses back. My whole back of my thigh starts to fire up. Lift your leg 1 inch higher. Get your leg back a little more. Feel that left hip stretch. Feel the abs pull in, that sheet of abdominal muscle. Connect and press and press. 10 seconds, then we're moving on. You got 10, go 9, it's 8, press 7, press 6, go 5, 4, 3, 2, yes, we're done with that. Okay, lay on your back, put your feet together. Cross your right ankle over your left, lift up your left hip and push. Squeeze the glute and press. My left foot is pushing down into the mat and lift, lift. If you need to put your right foot down for this one, that's okay. It's okay. There's an exercise for everyone. There's a modification for every exercise. That is the beauty of this technique. Squeeze, squeeze. Feel the shoulders wide. Push the palms down. Relax the jaw. Relax the neck. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. And put them down. Okay, rock your knees in. Roll your body up. Quick stretch. Okay, feet come together, heels come together, open up the knees, lift up the chest, find that length, and dive the body over. Drop your chin, slowly pull in the abs as you round back up. One more stretch for the hamstrings. Let's come to a downward dog. Press the palms, tuck the toes. Now when you do this, lift the abs, engage the back, lift the hips, open up the hamstrings you just worked. Take a little pedal, one at a time, push the mat a little harder, and let's walk our feet towards our hands. Bend the knees, pull the navel into the spine, and roll your body on up. All right, you have done it. Hope you enjoyed your beginner workout. More to come. Like and subscribe, thekimmethod.com. Check out the live class schedule as well. See you again.